other dip I'm going to prepare is actually my personal favorite, and it has evolved over the years. This is a spinach and artichoke dip with sausage and water chestnuts. Now the sausage and the water chestnuts are the two ingredients that really aren't your typical items in a spinach and artichoke dip. Now, when I first started making out this dip, I didn't have the sausage and I didn't have the water chestnuts in there. But you know, throughout the years, I've dined at different restaurants and tried different dips that have some of the elements of the spinach and artichoke dip. Now, one particular restaurant was a dip that didn't have the spinach, but it did have artichokes, cheese, and water chestnuts and sausage, and that's what gave me the idea to bring this all together. So now let me take you through all the ingredients that we're going to use to make my favorite dip. The first thing we'll need is some frozen spinach that we'll defrost in the microwave. We have a lemon that I'm just going to use the zest from. I've already juiced it for another recipe and I had it left over. I have the sausage that I'm going to brown up with some extra virgin olive oil. Now this particular sausage I got from the meat counter at my grocery, and I asked for a mixture of a little bit of the hot Italian sausage and more of the country sausage, which has some of the sage and some of those other spices that would complement the dip. Other spices we're going to use are parsley and crushed red pepper flakes. And then for the base of the dip, we are going to use some sour cream and some mayonnaise. Then we have the artichokes, some garlic that we're going to saute and use to flavor it. We have the water chestnuts. And then we have just some salt and pepper we're going to use to flavor the dish as it's finishing cooking. We have the Italian 3 or 4 cheese blend, whatever you happen to have in your grocery. We have some Parmesan cheese and some cream cheese to give it a creamy, smooth texture.